Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, so we'll be doing the live trade today. So let's see how the stock will perform, and also we'll be doing the live market analysis. So make sure you watch your video till the end to see all the information and analysis what I do. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot. The link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, today is 10th of December and the time is almost 9:12 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So going to the pre-open market page, here we can see the market is opening at 0.23% down today. Advanced stocks are 14, declines are 33, and unchanged is 3 stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section. That would be Indus India Bank with 1.44% up, and Tata Consumption with 0.53% up. And come to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that will be Tata Motors with 1.26% down, and HCL Tech with 1.14% down. So yes, most of the stocks are opening in the gap down section today here, if you guys can see. So let's see how the market will perform and on what stock I can trade today. Okay, so these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to buy this stock around 488 in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So we have bought it around 488 now. So guys, yes, right now we have bought it around 488. So let's see how the stock will perform. And also SBI and stock rate is 487. So 488 now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So the movement of SBN is not too quick as other stocks. So it will take some time. So let's see how much time it will take today to reach our target, and I am aiming to get almost like 1% target, that is 4 rupees. So let's see if I can hit 4 to 5 rupees target. So bought it around 488. Let's see if I can exit around 492 or 493, somewhere around there. That's my target for the day. So let's see how the stock will perform. Currently we are holding the buy position, so trading above 488 now. So I think there will be a resistance again at 490. If the 490 breaks, I think that will be a very easy push to reach 491 or something like that. So the resistance will be there at 490. If the 490 breaks, then we can go to 491, 492 very easily is what I'm feeling. So 489 now. So you can see the movement is okay, because at the market opening time it will be a bit of a fast movement at the morning time. So the time is around 9:30 now. So let's see how the market will perform. And also the market was like 0.25% down at the opening, and now it's recovering. So that's why our stock is also moving to the bullish side. So if the market supports well like this, I think we'll get our target very easily. So anyways guys, let's wait. Now it has made a new high almost. You can see the high is 489.90, 490 now. Yes, so as I said you, there is a resistance at 490. So we'll wait for it to give a breakout, and yes, this will take some time. So let's wait for it. So you can see easily there's a resistance there. So guys, yes, it has hit the resistance level and now it has came back. So you can see the stock is again trading at 488.65 now. So let's wait. Okay, it will take some time, and also as I said you, the stock movement is actually less. So now the morning opening session movement is over. Now we should wait for the stock to come up. Okay, it will take some time. It will be a long wait also, I guess. So anyway, we are waiting for SBI to go up now. So let's see how the stock will perform. We are back to again our buying levels. And also at the top left, you can see how the Nifty is performing today. So the Nifty is again back to 0.18% down where it was in the morning. So that's why the stock has also eventually come down. And also you can see in the market depth, there are more sellers here for the moment. So anyway, I think there will be a push. It will take a support somewhere. And if it's breaking 490, it's very easy movement above that. So let's see when it will give a breakout. Let's wait for it. So guys, yes, you can see now after a long wait, the stock has come up again for 490 levels. So now let's see if the 490 breaks, how quick the movement will be. So yes, 490 again. So it's not giving a breakout. So let's wait. Yes, so we have got a breakout now, 490.20. I think now we can easily touch our target. So it's almost like afternoon now. So from the morning, I am holding this trade. So yes, 491. So you can see how quick the movement is now, because the 490 was a very resistance level, as I said you. So once the 490 gave a breakout, you can see how quick the stock is moving. So I guess we will touch 493, 494 also, and the market is almost like we have just only 1 hour time left now for the market to close. So anyway, I'll try to close the position as soon as possible. Okay, let's see if I can book 0.5% or 1% target or more than that, because at the market ending time also you'll get a good fast movement. So if I can quickly get that movement, then I'll wait or I'll exit it with whatever the percentage of profit it's giving. So it's not a problem. So anyway, it's up now. So I booked almost like 0.5% as of now. So anyway, we are still holding it. So let's see if it goes to 493 somewhere, then it will be a more than 1% target. So anyway guys, we are near to 491 now. So I think 491 high has been made. So now let's wait for 493 to touch. So I think it will happen soon. Let's wait for it. So guys, 491 new high has been touched again. So just waiting for that to give a breakout, and yes, now we have got a breakout. I think now it's our 492 it will touch. So yes, we are almost close to the 492 levels, if you guys can see here. So SBIN is now trading in a very bullish way. If you guys can see, suddenly the stock is going very much in a bullish way. So I think 492 will touch now easily. So the new high is, it's trading at its new high now. So let's wait for it to touch 493. So as soon as it's touched 493, I'll take an exit. So yes, 492 now. So you can see the new high 492 has been made, and also you can see future is trading almost like 493.30. So I think even equity will also go to 493 easily. So is what I am feeling. So let's wait. So 492.3035. Yes, we are very close to our target now. We almost got the target. So yes guys, so let me update you once I exit this trade. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So I'll be guiding you all these things personally, and also you will be getting the trades what I do also. So to get all these things, you can join us now. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made an high of 494.8. Yes, at the morning it was taking some time to go up, and also it came to 3 rupees down, but still we waited, and now the stock is up. Okay, so I booked almost more than 1% target, so I just took my exit around 493 somewhere, like almost 5 rupees. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of SBIN. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.